Hello everyone, so today I want just to install a Kubernetes cluster, master and two nodes. I will use 3 VMs. They all have CentOS 10 installed, and at this moment they are empty, so nothing is installed on them. They're just clean install. And I will try to install Kubernetes cluster, I don't know, in under 15 minutes with Ansible, of course. I've prepared the playbook. It's not such a big playbook. I've got inspired from this article, so I have zero knowledge on how to install or configure a Kubernetes cluster, but anyway, I followed this article and it is really good. And yeah, let's see if we can do it with Ansible fast and professionally, or how should I say it? It's not professionally, it's in our home lab, but anyway. So let's see, where are we here? Let's first create the master. So Ansible. I'll not get into any details about what Kubernetes is or stuff like that. You can research on your own. I'm just showing you how to install via Ansible. Okay, so I have also my hosts ini and inventory, sorry. And first I need to install on the master, and then we go with limit, just say master, and we also have a vault, ask vault pass, and we will use also tags because I will use the same playbook for the master, also for the nodes. Okay, so this is the first trial. Let's see if we are lucky or not. Okay, the password, and it started. So it will not take too much. We will also have a reboot in some point of the playbook. As you've seen, I'm using tags, 2 tags, one for the master and one for the node, because some of the tasks are for the master install and some are only for the node. But let's actually see if this works. Okay, so it's already in the reboot phase. Yeah, it restarted. Let's go back. I have a task to wait until the server has a 1 minute uptime, and after that it continues. Let's just wait a little bit. It shouldn't take too much because it's targeting the host every 30 seconds. Okay. And at the next trial, it should already jump to the next task. Okay, let's open also another console because we also want to install the nodes, the same playbook number 3, and we now limit for nodes, and we ask pass vault, and of course we use tags and use node as a tag. But first we need to wait for this to finish. As you've seen, I'm not using DNS entries. I'm only using IP addresses because I did not really add those to my domain. But it will also work like this, hopefully. Okay, it's done. And we should also have here that this is needed for the nodes to join. Okay, now we can start other. Oh, wait, something is wrong. Okay, so let's see. Wrote something. Limit ask pass vault. Ask vault pass. Ask vault pass. Okay, this looks better. Okay, nodes done. So it will start to install everything that's needed for the nodes. And let's see. Okay, so the master is basically done, but let's just also wait for the nodes to be installed, and after that we can check the master. Okay, let's go to the last task. Here we need to do some manual activities, but it's not that difficult. So let's connect to the master. Okay, I will use Tmux because we also installed it. Okay, because we need to start the Kubernetes dashboard, and I only know how to start it interactively. I do not know how to start it and keep that session always active. And with Tmux we can safely close the putty and we will not lose the dashboard. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Failed. Ooh. Okay, specific permission. So we have an issue here. Okay, so it's just the last task here. Save the token file. Oh wait, we shouldn't have executed this one. Save the token file. Why did we execute this one? Let's see, 1 second. Save the token file, delegate to. No, this only needs to be executed if we install the master. Okay, so delete this one, delete this one, save it. Okay, this is done. Master. master node. Okay, so only the join was left in the command. Okay, we can do that manually because now we fixed the playbook. Let's do that manually. So this is the master. Let's go to the nodes. And we use the joining. So this was also automated in the playbook, but because that task failed, it didn't get to this. No problem. Okay. So we are on P02. Okay, this is done. And I can also exit and to be here. And the same thing we need to do, come on the other node on 03. Okay, and the password. Okay, exit. Now on the master node, we need to check if we are okay to do this one. Let's say, does it work without sudo? No. Okay, so the cluster is ready. Okay, so the first thing that I will try is just to enable the dashboard because we already installed it. And let's see if it works. Where is it? So okay, so we can close this and we can use yes, and our 235 and 118 and on port 8443. Okay, yes, we know that. Okay, so I always get this this error, but yeah. So I'm in the beginning of learning about Kubernetes, but the only solution until now is to where is it? I wrote it here to restart the core DNS, and because we have Tmux here installed, we can create a new window with Control V and C and just execute this. Okay, restarted. And now let's try again. Okay, same issue. Okay, then Control and maybe we need to stop and restart. Okay, yeah, now it's better. And we need that hash. Also, this I only know how to get through a command, and that's here, this one. So this is our service account, and we need to get that hash. Control V and N. Let's see. Okay, sudo, of course. Okay, and this is the hash. Okay, now let's see. Does it work? Oh, it works. Okay, still a small error, but now it's back. Okay, so this was basically it. We have a cluster. We have a service account created. I don't even know how to navigate through here, but cluster. So this is our service account nodes. Okay, here are the nodes. So this is the master, and those are the workers or nodes, how we can call them. We didn't create any container, so I still have to learn how to do that, but nevertheless, this was all that was needed to create the cluster. It was not so fast as I told you in the beginning of the video, but anyway, we fixed some issues. Yeah, if you want to do the same, I will post the playbook in the comment, and you can try it in your own lab or environment. And yeah, any questions, or if you want to see more details, yeah, check this article, because I've used it to create the playbook from it. And yeah, the official Kubernetes documentation. Yeah, please read it, and yeah, thank you for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.